Okay, now we are going to see the operation of the super vacuum cleaner 3X. The first things you should do is select the dirty place you want to clean. Okay, now you are turn on the vacuum cleaner, and remember you don't need to plug this artifact because this is wireless. This is artifact electric. And okay, later you have to do is all you have to do is drag the stick on the dirty surface. You just to be consistent. Okay, when everything is clear, when you finish, you just have to turn off the vacuum cleaner and save your vacuum cleaner, and you're done.